Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of most pressing environmental issue, smoke. From its harmful effect on health and environment to steps we can take to reduce it, we are covering all the details you need to know. Whether you are curious about how smoke forms or what you can do to help combat it, this video has got you covered. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more insightful content like this. Let's get in. What is smoke? Smoke is a type of air pollution that results from the combination of smoke and fog, and it can have serious effects on both human health and environment. The term smoke is blend of two words, smoke and fog. While both smoke and fog are natural occurrences, their combination in dense urban areas can lead to hazardous environment and health issues. Types of smoke. There are two main types of smoke. Number one, classical smoke. Number two, photochemical smoke. Classical smoke. Characteristics of classical smoke. It forms in cool, humid conditions. It results from the burning of large amounts of coal or other fossil fuels, typically observed in industrial cities with a lot of factories. How this smoke is formed? In colder weather, the sulfur dioxide from burning coal mixes with fog, water vapor and particulate matter in the atmosphere. This results in a dense dark smoke that can reduce visibility to near zero. What is its impact? It can cause respiratory problems, eye irritation, and worsen pre-existing conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. It also leads to environmental issues like acid rain, which damages crops, water sources, and buildings. Number two, photochemical smoke. Characteristic of photochemical smoke. It is common in warm, sunny climates. It results from the reaction between sunlight and pollutants such as nitrogen oxide and volatile organic compounds. Formation. Photochemical smoke forms when car emissions, industrial pollutants, and other sources of VOCs react with sunlight to form secondary pollutants like ozone 3 and PAN, peroxyacetyl nitrates. This type of smoke is typically lighter in color, often brownish or yellowish in appearance. Impact of this type of smoke. High levels of ozone can cause significant harm to human health, including respiratory distress, chest pain, and reduced lung function. It also affects plant life, causing damage to crops and forests by inhibiting photosynthesis. Now, let's discuss causes of smoke. Smoke is primarily caused by human activities, although natural processes can contribute as well. The main cause include industrial activities. The burning of coal, oil, and other fossil fuels in factories and power plants releases sulfur dioxide and particulate matter into air, contributing to classical smoke formation. These pollutants can react with moisture in the air to create acidic compounds that further degrade air quality. Number two, vehicle emissions. In urban areas, car exhausts contributes to the production of nitrogen oxide and volatile organic compounds VOCs, which are key components of photochemical smoke. As traffic increases, so does the concentration of these harmful substances. Agricultural practices. The use of fertilizers and pesticides releases ammonia, which can react with other pollutants in the air to form particulate matter, contributing to both types of smoke. Weather conditions. Temperature inversions, where a layer of warmer air traps cooler air near the ground, can worsen smoke conditions by preventing the dispersal of pollutants. Calm winds and high humidity can further exacerbate smoke formation. Now, discuss the health impacts of smoke. Smoke can have serious short and long-term health effects on humans, including respiratory problems, cardiovascular issues, eye and skin irritation, vulnerable populations. Respiratory problems. Exposure to smoke can irritate the respiratory system, causing coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath, and chest tightness. Long-term exposure increases the risk of chronic respiratory diseases such as asthma, bronchitis, cardiovascular issues. The pollutants in smoke can also affect the cardiovascular system, leading to increased rates of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular diseases. Eye and skin irritation. The chemicals in smoke can irritate the eyes, leading to redness, itching, and discomfort. Prolonged exposure can result in more severe eye conditions. Smoke can also irritate the skin, leading to rashes and other dermatological issues. Vulnerable populations. Children and elderly are particularly vulnerable to harmful effects of smoke due to weaker immune system and respiratory functions. People with pre-existing health conditions such as asthma or heart disease are also at the risk. Environmental impacts of smoke. Damage to vegetation, water contamination, and reduced visibility. Damage to vegetation. Smoke, especially photochemical smoke, can severely damage plant life, ozone, and other pollutants, reduce the ability of plants to photosynthesize, which harms crop yields and forest health. Water contamination. Smoke can contribute to acid rain, which occurs when pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides combine with water vapor in the atmosphere. Acid rain damages water bodies, soil, and plants. It can also reduce visibility. Smoke significantly reduces visibility, leading to dangerous driving conditions and reducing scenic views in urban and natural areas. Global distribution of smoke. Smoke is not confined to one region. It occurs in many major cities worldwide, particularly in areas with high levels of industrialization, vehicle emissions, and population density. Some major cities affected by the smoke include Los Angeles, USA, famous for photochemical smoke, especially during summer months. Beijing, China, known for its severe smoke due to rapid industrialization and coal burning. New Delhi, India, experiences intense smoke due to vehicle emissions, crop burning, and industrial activities. London, UK, historically known for its classical smoke, though it has improved significantly with population and control measures. Smoke prevention and control measures. Preventing and controlling smoke requires collective efforts from individuals, industries, and governments. Some of the key measures include reducing emission from vehicles, industrial regulations, legalization and policy, public awareness. Now, let's discuss reducing emissions from vehicles, promoting public transport. Encouraging the use of buses, trains, and other forms of public transport reduces the number of private vehicles on road, thus lowering emissions. Fuel efficiency standards. Implementing stricter emission standards for vehicle can reduce pollutants like nitrogen oxides. Electric vehicle. Promoting electric vehicles that do not produce exhaust emissions can greatly reduce smoke formation. Industrial regulations. Cleaner technologies. Industries can adopt cleaner technologies that reduce sulfur dioxide, particulate matter, and other harmful emissions. Switching to renewable energy. Shifting from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, and hydroelectric power can significantly reduce air pollution. Legislation and policy. Stronger environmental regulations. Government can introduce stricter regulations to limit emissions from industries and vehicles. Enforcing air quality standards. Monitoring and enforcing air quality standards can help mitigate smoke formation. Public awareness. Reducing personal emissions. Individuals can reduce smoke by limiting activities that contribute to air pollution, such as reducing car usage, conserving energy, and avoiding the use of certain chemicals. Now, let's discuss some facts about the smoke. The term smoke was first coined in the early 20th century, with the most famous incident being the Great Smoke of London in 1952, which led to thousands of deaths. Smoke-related air pollution contributes to millions of premature deaths globally each year, with respiratory and cardiovascular disease being the most common outcomes. Cities in developing countries such as New Delhi, Lahore, and Beijing experience some of the most severe smoke problems due to rapid urbanization, industrialization, and high vehicle emission. Ozone, a key component of photochemical smoke, is not only harmful when near the ground, but is also critical component of the stratosphere where it protects the earth from harmful ultraviolet radiations. Conclusion. Smoke is a serious environmental and public health issue, primarily caused by industrial emission, vehicle exhaust, and weather conditions. Understanding its types, causes, and effects is crucial for developing strategies to reduce smog and improve air quality. Through regulations, technological advancements, and individual efforts, we can combat smoke and protect both human health and environment. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found today's video on smog informative and helpful. Remember, small actions can lead to big changes when it comes to improving air quality and protecting the health. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and take care of your planet. Thank you.